If you're an MXGP fan, today has provided some good news, and that is that Jeffery Herlings is back on the bike as of today. Now, will this be anytime soon racing? No. Obviously, he's been off the bike for, I think it's like 4.5 months now, and this is going to be one of those things that your first day back on the bike, it's going to take you a long time. What? I mean, obviously, he's still going to be fit. It's just going to be the fact of getting to race fitness and race speed on the bike. So you're looking for 2, 3, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, who knows. He is scheduled to race the first round of the Dutch Masters on the 30th of March. And apparently there is no date on when he's going to be making his return to the MXGP. But Joel Smets, sorry if I butcher that last name again, horrible about it, whatever, it's just gonna is, with a quote saying this: positive news, Jeffrey has been back on the bike for the first time, actually yesterday. Of course, that is only the first step. After 4.5 months, there's still a long way to go. We're going to take it week by week. I don't want to put a date on him coming back. He will be back when we especially and he thinks he is ready for it. Now, obviously, you want to see this guy racing, and sadly, this has been a gigantic portion of his career, being injured, missing rounds, missing, parts of seasons, and it sucks because he is probably, in my opinion, at least one of the most talented guys that has ever ever raced. And if he had been injury, or even less injury free, let's go that way. If he had spent less the time, even half the time, off the bike as he has in his career, he would have championships, more wins, a ton more. It's just sad to see. And as somebody over on the US side of things, I'm really sad we never got it. I mean, I really would. When Tomac Prime, Roxon, Herlings would have been an absolutely incredible, even if he just came over and raced motocross, not even worrying about doing supercross, whatever. If he just came over here and raced in the summer for a season, it would still be incredible. I would absolutely love it if he did. I just don't see that happening. It's probably going to be the, hey, I'm retiring and then be done. And sadly, we'll never get to see it. But I don't know. That's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Are you watching MXGP? Are you only a American motocross and supercross fan? Do you have a favorite rider over there? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.